What? Okay. What? What's all right here? Oh my god! Udin! Udin! Udin needs to speak up. This one. Let's talk to him. All because of this one. He's about to run. Hey, what are you doing? You killed Putin.